how to delete your personal account permanently. So just come on your main page. On the top right hand corner, you'll see a little button that looks like a upside down triangle. Click on that, then click on settings. Then on the left hand side, click on your Facebook information. And then at the bottom, it says deactivation and deletion. Click on that. And then check the box here where it says permanently delete account. Click on continue to account deletion. It gives you some options here. So if you want to keep your messenger, just deactivate it. And also the option to download your information, like your photos, posts, and your friend list and so forth. But if you just want to completely delete everything, just click on the delete account button. Enter your password. Click continue. A final window of warning and some information comes up. And in a nutshell, it's telling you that once you click the delete account button right here, you have 30 days to reactivate, if you wanted to change your mind. But once the 30 days are over, your account will be deleted permanently. You won't be able to reopen it. You won't be able to retrieve your information whatsoever. So if you're ready to click delete, click on it and wait 30 days and your account is gone forever.